Hello, this is Andrew from Aipak. Today I will bring you go to visit our cutting machines factory. Hello, this is our vertical cutting machine. You see, this is the cartons, and the carton will be vertical, and after that there will be use the waiter come to the fill the material come to here. This is the vertical cutting, and horizontal cutting is rotary cutting, and here is our machine. Our engineer is debugging the machine. It's also you see, and here the side machine is cleaning. Will be ready to ship. This is the glue. Here is same, and the debugging, and here is the ready stock. Here the machine is just testing. Also will be ready to ship. And you see here, and many ready stock. Different kind of the cutting machine. You can be ordered to us. This is the spare part. This is the frame. If you need the machine, we can deliver it 30 days because it's half products almost finished. And here is also the feeder. Can be filled 6 pieces of the material to 1 cartons. This is the leaf part and the green. See, here is the line. It's combine line. Here a combine line. You see, yeah. Here's the filling machine. You see, very big. Okay, we're back. Okay, if you have any inquiry, send to us. We will produce for you soon.